Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sharon Roshan, your teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning vehicles we use. Vehicles we use. So we go from one place to other using different vehicles. Let's know about them. सो हम एक जगह से दूसरे जगह से तक बहुत सारे व्हीकल से जाते हैं। तो जो लैंड पे है, जो ज़मीन पे जो व्हीकल्स चलते हैं उनके नाम पढ़ेंगे। ओके, सो से द नेम्स ऑफ दिस व्हीकल्स दैट मूव ऑन लैंड। आई विल बी सेइंग द नेम्स, यू हैव टू रिपीट आफ्टर मी। ओके, फर्स्ट इज कार, स्कूटर, मेट्रो, ऑटो रिक्शा, साइकिल रिक्शा, बाइसिकल, मोटरबाइक, ट्रक, ट्रेन and bus. Okay, we'll repeat this once again. Car, scooter, metro, auto rickshaw, cycle rickshaw, bicycle, truck, train, bus. Then we'll go to the next page where we are going to match the vehicles to the number of wheels they have. अभी हम इतने wheels जो है, जो इसके चक्के हैं, wheels, जो व्हीकल जितने व्हील्स के हम उन्हें मैच करेंगे। देखो, इनको ऑटो रिक्शा को 3 व्हील्स होते हैं, सो वी विल मैच इट। ऑलरेडी इट इज़ बिन डन फॉर यू। देन हियर देयर इज़ अ 3 व्हील्स, सो मैच इट। नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी दिस इज़ अ 2 व्हीलर, 2 व्हील्स। अगेन द 2 व्हीलर्स हियर and also the bike. Next you can see there is a 6 wheelers, so you have to match it. Then there is a bus which will be matching it. Then there is a car, there is a 4-wheeler, you have to match it. Okay, understood all of you? So do you have metro in your city? If yes, then color the box green. आप जहाँ पे रहते हो, आप जिस सिटी में रहते हो, do you have metro over there? Then you have to color this box green. Okay, color the engine black and the bogies red. You have to color this engine in black color and all these bogies, 2 bogies in red color. Okay, this is your homework. So now we'll learn the vehicles which are on water. जो पानी में जो vehicles रहते हैं हम उनका नाम सीखेंगे। Say the names of these vehicles that move on water. So you have to repeat after me. Ship. Say ship. This is a ship. Then boat. Say boat. Yacht. Yacht. You have to repeat once again. Ship, boat and yacht. Next you can see color only the vehicles in which we travel on water. हमको उन्हीं पिक्चर्स को कलर करना है जो पानी से ट्रेवल करते हैं, जैसे कि याच को कलर करना है, बोट को एंड शिप को। ओके, दैट इज़ योर होमवर्क। नेक्स्ट वी लर्न द व्हीकल्स दैट मूव ऑन एयर, इन द एयर। So all of you say the names of the vehicles that move in the air. So the first is rocket. Which vehicle goes the first? The first is rocket. Second, helicopter. Say helicopter. Next you can see there is a picture of aeroplane. All these vehicles move on air. So this is aeroplane. Next is hot air balloon. This is hot air balloon. Next is glider. This is glider. And last is parachute. This is parachute. We'll just once again repeat all these vehicles which moves in the air. Rocket, helicopter, aeroplane, hot air balloon, glider and parachute. So here you can see, join the dots and make the path for vehicles that can go in the air. आपको ये डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करना है और आपको उन व्हीकल्स को भेजना है कहाँ पे, जो एयर में फ्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो आपको सिर्फ ये डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करना है. दैट इज़ योर होमवर्क. Now we'll learn about vehicles that need fuel. So say the names of these vehicles that need fuel to move. First is motor car. Say all of you. Motor car, motorbike, truck, train, aeroplane, fire engine, ambulance, helicopter, hot air balloon. All these vehicles, what do they need? They need fuel to move. उनको क्या लगता है? फ्यूल लगता है. So once again we'll repeat all the names of vehicles that need fuel. Motor car, motorbike, truck, train, aeroplane, fire engine, ambulance, helicopter and hot air balloon. So next we'll learn vehicles that do not need fuel. अभी हम उन vehicles सीखेंगे, उनके नाम सीखेंगे जिनको फ्यूल की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. So all of you say the names of these vehicles that do not need fuel to move. इनको चलने के लिए फ्यूल की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. So let's say the names: bullock cart, tonga, bicycle, cycle rickshaw, parachute and boat. Once again we'll repeat all the names: bullock cart, tonga, bicycle, cycle rickshaw, parachute and boat. Next we'll go to the next page. Tick the vehicles that need fuel to move and cross the ones that do not need fuel to move. Here what are we going to do? भी जो vehicles को fuel लगता है उनको हमें टिक मार्क करना है. जो vehicles को fuel नहीं लगता है उनको हमें क्रॉस करने वाले हैं. तो aeroplane needs fuel, so tick mark. Bullock cart doesn't need it. Train needs it. Bus needs it. Motorbike needs it. Yacht does not needs it. Hot air balloon needs it. Tonga doesn't needs it. Cycle को भी नहीं चाहिए. We'll go to the next page. So match the vehicles to the places where they move. So helicopter moves in the air, car moves on the road, yacht moves in the water, train moves on the track, aeroplane again in the air, bike on the road, yacht in the river, bicycle on the road, and train, metro train also on the railway track. Okay, so we'll go to the next page. So cross the odd vehicles in each column. अभी जो भी odd अलग सा है उसे आपको क्या करना है, ईच कॉलम में आपको ऐसा कॉलम दिया है. ओके, सो ये कॉलम में आपको ऑड वन को क्या करना है, क्रॉस करना है. सो इन दिस द ऑड इज ट्रेन, हियर द ऑड वन इज द साइकिल, हियर द ऑड वन इज द yacht. Understood? Next we'll go match the same kind of transport. Same kind of transport में क्या आता है? Now let's see. First is the aeroplane and the helicopter. Train, these are same. Then you can see there is a yacht and the ship, bus and the truck. Okay, these are same means of transport.